Hi, it's Ashley Ma with About Korea channel. Today we will study Hangul Korean alphabet, how to read and write. Lesson 1. We will study how Hangul is composed of, and also we will practice 10 basic vowels today. Alright, the components of Hangul. Hangul is composed of 14 consonants and 10 vowels. What are 14 consonants? Let's take a look together. All right. The first is 기역, 니은, 디귿, 리을, 미음, 비읍, 시옷, 이응, 지읒, 치읓, 키읔, 티읕, 피읍, 히읗. Okay, those are 14 consonants. And then next, plus 10 vowel. First one is a, ya, o, 여, 오, 요, 우, 유, 으, 이. Alright, those are 10 vowels. We can read and write any sound of Hangul with those 24 letters, combining these consonants with the vowels. Alright, that's why we have to practice and remember all those consonants and vowels. The combination of consonants and vowel makes a syllable, and it can express virtually all the sound produced by nature and humans. So, Hangul is easy to learn and use. Are you ready to learn Hangul? Alright, it's not that difficult. Please just follow me and try to practice again and again, and you will learn how to read and write Korean alphabet. Alright? Okay, let's go. In order to make a syllable or sound, we need at least one consonant and one vowel. Let's take a look at 6 types of syllable block. Alright? C stands for, let's see, C stands for consonants and V stands for vowel. First syllable block is actually initial position, consonants, and second position is vowel. Example is na, alright? Na is example. And the second block is, the first position is consonant and last position is vowel. So example is mu. Okay. Alright. Hangul is written from top to bottom or from left to right. That's the way it's supposed to be. So that's the way how we write Hangul, from top to bottom and left to right. Alright. Please remember. And third syllable block is consonant, vowel, and consonant. Example is 종, right? All right, let's take a look in detail. All right, so the first 지읒, this is actually first consonant, and O is vowel, and 이응 at the bottom position, that's also consonant. So consonant, vowel, and consonant, those combination. That's number 3. And number 4 is consonant and vowel and consonant at the bottom position. Example is 상, alright? 시옷 is consonant, 아 is vowel, and 이응 is bottom consonant. Next syllable block is, first position is consonant and second position is vowel, and third and fourth position is consonant. So example is 닭. 디귿 is consonant and 아 is vowel, and 리을, 기역 is actually double consonant as a bottom position, right? So we pronounce this 닭. Okay, that was the 5th syllable block. And lastly, the first position is consonant and second position is vowel from top to bottom, right? And then as a bottom position, there are consonants, double consonants, right? So example is 기역, consonant, and 우 is vowel, and rir, mium is double consonant as a bottom position, right? So there are 6 different types of syllable block. As you can see, these 6 types of syllable block, consonant can be the first and the final position, and vowel will be the second position, right? If you look at this syllable block again, vowel is always second position, right? Okay. The reason why we study 6 types of syllable block is we need to understand how Hangul syllable is composed of, right? There are 6 different patterns. So we have to really understand this first before we start to learn each vowel and each consonant. Okay, now let's study 10 basic vowel. All right, very simple. First vowel is ah. All right, the letter name is ah. How do we write this? Please remember the stroke order, right? Let's see. 1 and 2. All right, simple, right? 1 and 2. This is how we write. The letter name is ah. Okay, please remember, repeat after me. Ah. One more time. Ah. All right, that's the pronunciation. And next one. Second vowel is ya. Ya, right? Okay, repeat after me. Ya. Ya. Okay, how do we write? 1, 2, 3. All right, that's ya. One more time, ya. Remember, try to write and pronounce at the same time. That'll be the fast way you can remember this vowel, right? Ya. Okay, next is all. All. Repeat after me. All. Okay, let's try to write 1 and 2. Pronunciation is all. All. Letter name all. Pronunciation is also all. If there is no consonants in the first position, consonant iung will be used as the first letter which has no sound. That's why we pronounce this all. All. Okay? And next vowel is yaw. Yaw. Okay, let's try to write down 1, 2, and 3. Pronunciation is yaw. Yaw. Letter name also yaw. Yaw. This vowel is o, pronounced o. Okay, o. The stroke order is 1 and 2. All right. Pronunciation is o. O. Okay, one more time. O. O. Okay, great. And next, this vowel is yo. 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 Okay. Let's try to write 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Yo. Yo. Okay, the vowel pronunciation is yo. Repeat after me. Yo. That's good. And next vowel is u. U. Okay. The stroke order is 1 and 2. All right. U. U. Repeat after me. U. Okay. The sound. Try to remember the sound and the stroke order at the same time. U. Next. You. You. Okay, let's write together. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, this is you. You. Repeat after me. You. Okay, great. Doing good, right? Okay, not that difficult so far, right? You can follow. All right, and next. Very simple, right? Okay, try to write Okay, this is the sound. Okay, next. E. Repeat after me. E. Okay, from top to bottom. E. Great. You're doing good. Okay, E. That's the letter name is also E. All right, this is it. That's 10 basic vowel, right? So you have to practice how to write and read pronunciation and the writing order. You have to remember at the same time, okay? Now, let's review what we studied today and also practice. Okay, first one is ah. Next one is ya. Ọ. Yo. O. Yo. U. You. I. E. Okay, these are 10 basic vowels, not that difficult, right? So you can memorize the each vowel and also the pronunciation today, all right? It's only 10 basic vowel. Okay, try to practice and review yourself. Okay, I think you're doing good today, right? If you want to see more videos or lessons, and please subscribe, like, and share also. And if you want to receive more updates immediately, don't forget to set the alarm. Okay. All right. Thank you for watching today, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Okay. Bye.